Greetings, folks. It's Sarah. Today I am outside on Lake Ponderay in beautiful Sandpoint, Idaho, and I've got 12 of my favorite cook stoves out here. And today is actually day 4 of shooting and filming. And right now I'm going to light up the Gulliver and do a little demo and some filming for you guys today. It is really pretty cold out right now. We have a short stack as well. So when lighting a cold stove outside, especially with a short chimney stack, it is subject to get more smoke. So what has been really cool about this experience is, as I mentioned, I have 12 cook stoves out here. Day 1 and 2 of filming, we had all 12 cook stoves burning at the same time. And honestly, our smoke output on the footprint is really low. I have some drone footage, so I'll show you that. We are in a really nice neighborhood here, and the neighbors have all been perfectly fine. Nobody's been upset with us or the smoke that's come out of the stoves. So that says something about wood burning stoves. You know, people have a lot of concern about how they affect the environment, but if I can literally burn 12 stoves outside with a super short flue stack, that really shows how well they do burn. And right now, yep, we got some smoke coming out, but my fire took off. I have a nice draft going up the chimney, so we're good to go. We are lit up on the Gulliver.